Officer Judge J.C. Harris B. Namuhe. To the Provincial OIC Director of the Department of Local and Interior, DILG, Department of Interior and Local Government, Madam Regina Dongti, the minister who will connect us and lead us to God after this off-taking, Pastor Marvin Nanglagan. The Provincial Vice Governor Martin Loglog Habao Jr., the Provincial Sangguniang Panlalawigan of District 1. We have here the Honorable Cherdan Gulitiu of the Municipality of Asipulo. Honorable Joselito Guiguyo of the Municipality of Kiangan. Honorable Albert Binla of the Municipality of Kiangan from Bagini. Honorable Durnuan Jawe Habiling Durnuan of the Municipality of Union. Honorable Pedro Mayamo just called a while ago, and he is attending a special and kailangan okasyon. Honorable Geronimo Dimoya of the Municipality of Lagawe. And from District 2, we have the former municipal mayor of Aguinaldo, Honorable Gaspar Chilagan. Honorable Arlan Addo, alias Oha. Honorable George Udan of Asipulo and Alfonso Vista, and Honorable Peter Udan, Peter Goodman, of the Municipality of Banawi and Alfonso Vista, and the Congressman of the Congressman, Honorable Solomon Archungalaw. And sitting here with us today is the gentleman from Poblacion East, Ramses Kabigan. The municipal mayor of this town, Leslie Roy Bambi, alias Bambi Nayahan, and the municipal mayor of Banawi, Donald Mongolnon, and Vice Mayor Kendall Imoliak, and the councilors, they are here with us today. councilors of Lagawi, Banawi, and the municipalities, the Provincial Director of the Philippine National Police, Police Colonel Jeremiah Oyawon, the Manager Joseph of the Land Bank of the Philippines, previous political leaders of Ifugao, provincial employees, municipal employees, and barangay officials and employees, families of the newly elected provincial officials, and my wife, Angelina Habiling Dalipo, my sons and my daughters, and my sisters and brothers who are here with us. Yeah, we have here Cham, Bowak, Ernest Limea, and his wife, Charo, Giselle. Yeah, my brothers and sisters, Yuan, Ibaya, Amor, Tairian, ladies and gentlemen, happy inauguration off-taking and inaugural ceremony. This time is a time to give thanks to God and the voters who voted for us. So nga salamat sa iyo na leaders, tayo na timotulong, tayo ang supporters, tayo ang kadua ang politicians, po congressman, ang enong pangkompanya ito just concluded May 12 election. So salamat, kita na ang support you. Kiti kadakulan inila ang cakor yo jake lang na kampanya cakor yo jake nakahapitan pin cakor yo jake ini ko haya bimotos yakon. Salamat. Kete cawatak kanay ang patuloy ang tulong yo. Polak pemahir wani henan mangani. Kita da kayo nga national line agencies dito'y probinsya at Ifugao. Tayo ang PLGU employees, head of offices, chief of hospitals. Da kayo nga municipal officials, mayors, vice mayors, councilors. Kenda kayo nga barangay officials, barangay captains, councils, kenda diti constituents. Tayo ang business, tayo ang business sectors, tayo ang businessmen and women of the province of Ifugao. I urge you, dawato isa yo na maki-cooperate, maki-offer Kami ang binutusan nyo ang opisyales, ang mga ulo, iten 80 o iten probinsya ng Ifugao. Tap no pumaspas-pas di implementation, business, implementation of programs and projects. O yan, magtitinulong ka for the progress of Ifugao. Sa wato isitun amin sa naang offices away business sector away uhaon inat natin nila itag mi ang pinutosan nyo ito ay responsibility mi ngayon nila po damdama ang itag nyo kaya ito ba responsibility nyo what responsibilities tao and obligations tao ito ang nagpugulihan tao ang Ifugao. Iso matyawato ang silo namin wala kinapnay obligations and responsibility na kaya kung saya ang tante ang probinsya tayo. Ngayon kami kete will do our best nga mga ulo ito ang audience tao. Tap no sumnahar ko manipo dalwani ekit mas pupunghot mas sumaysayaan mas promegresyo si probinsya tao tawag no we enjoy the province of Ifugao. Our mission is to ensure the well-being and happiness of every Ifugao or those living in the province of Ifugao. Sa nahinae ay kay kon lang isa mi ang iyo pinutosan may para isito ang amin. Nakayo ito may lang namin our national agencies o yan dito probinsya, yung municipal manipod gadwani or hinjani we will continue to collaborate and harmonize our plans and programs so that muna hatao iso nga nang runa sa na-online agencies ito o siyang tao the financing sectors to finance our programs and projects. So nga yo tuwe si Jawato ginokang situ ang amin. And I would like to mention our 5 top priorities for the 3 years. Number 1, transportation. We started the provincial road network of the province of Ifugao. Patuloy, we will open those who are not yet open and improve those that are open. And to mention a few of our roads, the concreting of the newly opened road to Paya, Dulaw, Magitawa, Halad, to Alfonso Vista. And we hope that in a few more days, it will be awarded. And our congressman started the completing of the 100 million from Potya to Halad. So the 320 million, I hope that will be awarded in a few days from now. We pray that the Department of Agriculture through the PRDP program will award the project for the concreting of the 15 kilometers Alfonso Vista to Aguinaldo. And we also continue the improvement of Nagakatan to Magpo. Then our congressman will, as we talk together, we also continue the concreting and improvement of the Lagawi, the Buliwang Naktom, Buliwang Naktom to Alimit Road, and the Tinok Asipolo Road, and the others. We have several farm to market roads that we open. And kitain tayo in these 3 years, we'll do our best to improve these open roads. And if the road network is being completed, then we'll stop the opening of roads. Maihi environment. So for some sitios, we will be providing tram line for accessibility. I acknowledge the presence of the Vice Mayor of Lagawi. Kasi siya, okay, kahit inuwi ninyo, ano? Oh, yeah, and the councilor. And from the former mayor, Vice Governor said, Ignada ng taga na councilor si Lagawi. Oh, Ignada. Okay, ako, Vice. So you're acknowledged. The Vice Governor is requesting for your acknowledgement. Second top priority is for sanitation, for health and sanitation, the upgrading of our hospitals, level 1 to level 2, and from primary to level 1. Second to that is the provision of potable water, the construction of Lagawi water system. It's just awarded. And we hope no mapakadwani ang tawon 96 million from PRDP. The Asipolo water system, and looking forward that the provincial engineering will be working for the other municipalities. Communal irrigations under water. Improvements of communal irrigations. Ikon tao. Mga may mabalin mga tao within these 3 years. Number 3 is power and energy. We will repair, maintain the operation of Lipod and Ambangan hydropower plant of the province of Ifugao. And we started with the transmission line. So the sub station being cabled, and it will supply IGS and the capital. Nga dati excess, iti may tuloy, may gatang iti itong ko. Then the construction of the 15 megawatts at Alimit. I have heard the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, the Vice Governor, state their support. And I hope this project will be supported not only by them, but everyone. Land Bank of the Philippines is here ready for the financing. Yeah, we started that during our second term. We funded the preparation of the plans and the feasibility studies. And I hope with the construction and completion, we look forward for the industrialization of Ifugao for the next 10 years. If the project will start immediately, then it will be completed in 3 years accordingly to the prepared plans. Fourth is the completion of the sports complex at Cadel. So the swimming pool is nearly to be completed. The road network is 95 completed. So the oval, the multi-purpose building foundation just started. So we hope that for the next few months, we will be sourcing or what we have requested. Since election is already completed, we pray that it will be released for the fast completion and implementation of the sports complex. Fifth is the to operate the multi-purpose building, the food and vehicle terminal, the trading post, and the food processing. Then last is the provision of livelihood to everyone. Ayan, that is our 5 top priorities for the next 3 years of the province of Ifugao. And I hope, looking forward, and pray to everyone to support it. Hagio Ifugao. I invite you up. I am not invited. The next speaker or the MC will invite for the lunch. Anyway, I said you are invited for the lunch.
Thank you very much, the Governor-elect, Honorable Jerry Udalipog. And